Cue the Jaws music, almost, isn't it? Like a white shark, a great white, and he is all in white, isn't he? That's not a flag of surrender. That is the world champions kit with the rainbow bands, and he is bringing it in spectacularly so. The Flamme Rouge, always the announcement of a whole lot of hurt, unless you're in a scenario such as this. Yet again, he can take his time. I don't know how he's going to celebrate today. Well, it could have gone so wrong, couldn't it?
Yeah, he's giving high fives on the right-hand side to some lucky members of the crowd. That is where he's got to get to. A fair bit of elevation yet, but he can enjoy this. He'll no doubt punch his way all the way to the top before, no doubt smiling as he gets to the top of the Via Caterina and soaking up another momentous ride, another dominating performance despite coming off. It did look like that crash was so severe he might not get up. Skidded off the road, skidded through a bramble hedge, battered, bruised, but unbowed. This man is an absolute living phenomenon.
Well, he takes these curves and he can take all the time he needs, but he's still powering in. He wants to show his greatness.
Yep.
And look at this, he's absolutely sprinting. He's sprinting against himself and against the clock here. This is a man who is undiminished in terms of his greatness. It seems like you can knock the edges off him, but he's still the complete package.
Just incredible, as you say. He doesn't need to ride this quick. He's got a minute, but he's honouring the race.
He is
honouring the rainbow bands. I mean, think about all the races that he's won, but winning Strade Bianche in the rainbow jersey in such relative adversity is something special. So he's giving it absolutely everything. There's a smile, maybe with a bit of a grimace in there too. Rounds the corner. This race is his.
He's got a few curves to take, and my goodness, he's going to enjoy cutting those. It's been a hell of a dance, and quite frankly, there's been some high kicks as well into the solar plexus for him. But ultimately, he's a man who leaves everybody in his wake. He writes history constantly, it seems, and it's another page in this amazing annal. He is busy. He wags his finger at adversity, and he still just has that fire in his belly. He's thinking about how to celebrate with 150 metres to go. He's on the brakes, for goodness sake. He wants everyone to get a picture of him and remember this moment. And of course we will. He comes into the sunshine. Where there is light, there is power. And he's absolutely undiluted in his greatness. Tadej Pogacar, kapow! That was brilliant. What an amazing phenomena this man is. You just cannot stop him. Fated quite royally.
Absolutely magnificent performance.